Guys, I'm on with 3 orders from TEMU. Everything came in pretty much while I was gone. So I'm catching up on all my orders, and I got this sweet, oh my gosh, so cute, my little housey mousies. Oh my gosh, and they were $2.65, and this is the sample, playing in the blueberries. One's juggling, one's stuffing his cheeks. Cute. Gotta love these little dudes, I'm telling ya. So I got that one. Put it back in here so I don't... Oh my gosh, they're packaging this. Not the best. Okay, I'm just going to do this. Okay, and what else? Oh, and then more lemonade. I need to cool it on the lemonade. Well, I need to cool it on everything, but you know. This is so cute, though. Look at. I think this is a lawn fondue. Sorry. I could just squeeze you. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. You make life sweet. Pucker up. I can't see what you're seeing too much. Lemonade. Lemon tea. Oh my gosh. Very cute. And that was $4.51. And I printed up some samples. Inspiration. There we go. Very cute. Very, very cute. It's all very cute. That's why I ordered it, because I like it. Okay. And that was, what did I say? I don't know if I said $4.51. I kind of tried to organize this. Okay, this is so cute. This is Frankie. And I've never been a big Frankenstein guy, but this turned out so cute. And he comes with all kinds of things you can do to his face. Let me turn it over so it's the right way. I mean, look. So here's his face. Glasses. You can do different eyes. Happy haunting. I'm green with envy. Cute. Enjoy your treats. You bring me life. That's good. Oh, Frank. I'm nuts and bolts about you. You keep me in stitches. Happy Halloween. There's his little hands. Teeth. So yeah, you can design him. Bolts. Very cute. So, and then this is what it's a couple of samples that I printed up. Inspiration. Like I said, I'm not usually a Frankie guy, but this one got me. I wanted it. It's cute. Anybody ever watch Young Frankenstein? Oh, I love that movie. That is weird but good. All right, and then I got this little jam jar, and it was $3.87, and it's I open these and put stuff in it, but it's so hard to get them back open. Anyway. So here's a couple of pictures of what it will do. I just click on the item and see all the different pictures, then right-click on it and copy it to my Google Docs. I've had that question before, but yeah, it's got the cute little top. What is that, honey spoon or honey drizzler or whatever that is. Cute, cute, more cute. Very fun. I can't measure it for you because it's all in pieces, but speaking of that, how do you... That's interesting. How do you build it? There's no jar. That's weird. Okay. I'll have to try that out. And then I found these cute ghosts, or ghost, and this is the picture for $2.37, and it comes with 2 layers. You can do a shaker if you want. You can layer it so have a shadow, little bow, very cute. $2.37. This one is a candy corn shaker. Happy Halloween. This was $7.09. I put NA. It's not available. It may. I link everything below my orders, so maybe it'll come back. So I'm glad I got it because it has all the layers to do this. So you can have your shakers in there. Your shaky shakes. And I thought this was just a great one for birthdays, cupcakes, sprinkles, and happy wrinkles. Cute. So yeah, and it comes with a shadow piece, so that's nice. What did I do with my... Oh, here it is. I got so much around me. This is a big order, so hang in there. So with the shadow piece, it is, let's not have to do math, 3 by 3 1/4 about. And then I just wanted basic circles, especially with those spinners that I've been ordering and stuff. So this is just, what was this, $3.52. Handy to have that. Emma stopped by and her mom. They were on a walk, so she ran up to the house and gave me a hug. Scared me. I was like, oh God, who's here? I'm not dressed or anything. It was just my Emma. Oh my God. Can you... so blessed to have her live so close. Okay. So this is a slide out card, so you can pull on it to make it pop up. And it was $5.28. I know, I got a lot. This is, what, 3 orders? I just linked below the orders. And then this one, I'm really into these square things. Look at this. I mean, seriously, Kim. What the heck? There we go. This, and this. And there's another one, I think, in here, a little square. I don't know. Anyway, so this one does... It is, let's see here. I'm trying not to pull it out every time. Oh my gosh, go the right way, Kim. It is 5, almost 5.5. Yeah, just under 5 and 5 and 7, 5 3/8 by 4. And they have little, see, so it does the little like inchies, little, I don't know if they're inches, but you know, the squares that you can pop out. And they did just different pieces of, you know, decorated, not coloring it or anything. Let me see if I can get that out of there. Ugh. Yeah, so here they made it look like a chocolate bar. Oh my gosh. Another one like this, and then this. Very cute. I like it. I'm into these grids, I guess you would call them. And here's one that looks like slides, kind of ticket slides. And here's what it does. And it was $1.80. I mean, oh my gosh, how can you resist? Obviously, I can't. I can't resist this. I just love the effect of the dots and it's got all the layers here. Sorry. Look at this. Gorgeous. So pretty. So versatile. I mean, you could use it for any season, anything. Flowers, butterflies, whatever you want. Christmas. And this was $6, and I don't have, but you get the idea, it's grids. And these, I think these cut, so you get all those little pieces to pop in there. And, wait for it. Like I said, I tried to organize these by, so this one is pretty cool, and it is a big, like a film slide. It is 6 by 4 1/4, and here's the sample of what they did with it. Really cool. So it's got all these effects in there. There's a tip. Yeah, so it's got this ridge around it. Really cool. Gives you that punk look, or steampunk punk look. There we go. Walking down the street. Margaret took a picture. She's in her living room today. So I'm very happy. She's making good progress. $3.77 for this one. This is, I have a small one that does this, but these are larger. Look at the scalloping. Oh my gosh, I love it. And they come with the bow. So 5 by 4. And you get 2 frames. So that was $3.77, which is amazing. And here's the pictures that I found for it, what they did with it. So there's our goose in there. Oh my gosh. Very, very cute. I know. I'm doing a lot of crinkling, but I got to keep this somewhat organized. I need to have somebody come in and help me organize all the stuff I got. It's like, oh my god. Because I'm going to my trailer today. I've been there for over a week, so that's what my plan is. Okay, now, let's see here. Here's bookmarks. I think that's all the dies and stamps, if I'm looking at this right. These were $2.63. Oh my gosh, sorry. And they're strawberry themed. I wonder how big are these? And they're shiny. And they're 4 3/4 by 1.5. Where are we at? Okay. Probably going to do this in parts too because I got a load. Look at all this. Strawberry Goodness. And yes, they're bookmarks, but you could put these on cards or, well, I guess they're supposed to be bookmarks. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So that is a fun find for $2.63. And I will come back, my friends. I will put on here that this one is video 1, stamps and dies, and then haul order number 2.